Installing a drive cage. Bay 2. Make sure there is no optical drive installed in the optical drive cage. Then, install the 3.5-inch drive cage in the optical drive cage. Align the 4 hooks on the optical drive cage with the corresponding hooks on the 3.5-inch drive cage, and then lower the optical drive cage into the 3.5-inch drive cage and slide it forward until it is secured in place. Fasten the captive screw to secure the 2 drive cages together. If applicable, install the 3.5-inch drive in the drive cage. Install the optical drive cage. If applicable, install the optical drive. Install the server cover.